everyone, this is Coach Julio. Hope you are well. So I am going to show you a few exercises using the old school tube with resistance band with handles. Everyone likes to do triceps, horseshoes. So I'm going to show you another way on how to get these nice puppies toned, fit, strong, whatever word you want to use. All right, so here's a Jane Fonda or Juana Fonda Triceps Kickbacks. So I know many of you are like, yeah, I've done that Julio before. I'm like, yes, it's all good. But have you done them this way? Have your palms facing forward. So here we go. My elbows are lined up on my ribs, parallel to the floor, my arms are. I kick back, exhale, inhale. Notice my elbow is 90 degrees here. I extend fully. That's the exercise. My palms are facing forward. So my recommendation to you, do about 100 rounds or reps and get that burn on. That's it. Thank you.